Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. We're at the Cosmopolitan again, and this time we're going to check out both of their swimming pools. That's right, in a town that usually has 6 or 7 swimming pools per hotel and casino, the extremely popular Cosmo only has 2. But we're going to check them out. They're extremely nice. Put on that swimsuit. This is a short video, so let's dive right in. So as I said, the Cosmopolitan has 2 swimming pools. The first one we're visiting here is the Boulevard Pool, located in the Boulevard Tower, of course. And I can tell you as I stayed here at the Cosmo that the Boulevard Pool was certainly the more popular of the 2 pools. It's built on several levels and has a fantastic view of the Strip. As the Cosmo's website says, the Boulevard Pool is overlooking the heart of the Las Vegas Strip on the east deck. Boulevard Pool's multi-level, open-air environment offers unobstructed sight lines in all directions. The Cosmo consists of 2 towers, the Chelsea Tower and this one here, the Boulevard Tower. The Boulevard Tower being the closer one to the Las Vegas Strip, and the Boulevard Pool here is located on the 4th level of the Boulevard Tower. The Cosmopolitan website says that the Boulevard Pool is where people come together to eat, drink, mix, and mingle. Doesn't mention swimming, that's odd. Upbeat music combined with intimately spaced lounge chairs and day beds creates a communal atmosphere with vibrant social scene. And during the summer, you can enjoy movies playing on the marquee. More about that in a minute. Boulevard Pool is the ultimate Las Vegas lounging venue. Now, you see that big, well, it's purple now, that big purple Cosmopolitan sign that can be seen up and down the Strip in front of us? Once a week in the summertime, they play movies on there. It's usually a Wednesday evening, I believe, around 7 o'clock. And you need to reserve your spot. And the sound for the movie, the audio, is played through the speakers surrounding the pool. So basically, it's like a big movie night out here with popcorn and drinks and snacks. By the way, the week I was here, I tried to do the movie night thing, but as with everything right now, you need reservations because of social distancing. I did not make a reservation. I was turned away. I can't stress how important reservations are right now, no matter where you go, but especially in Vegas. Even something as simple as a breakfast, you need to make reservations for that, or you won't be guaranteed a seat when you want to go there. And now we're going to head over to the Chelsea Tower, the 14th floor, which is where the Chelsea Pool is located, pushed back a little bit further on the Strip. It's also where the Cosmopolitan has its spa and salon. While the Chelsea Pool doesn't have the stunning views of the Las Vegas Strip, it is a lot more quiet and relaxed and reserved up here. If that's what you're looking for, a more quiet experience. The Cosmo's website says the Chelsea Pool is an indulgent escape and refreshing retreat, designed for pampering. The pool's discreet havens provide varying degrees of seclusion. It's a lush space inspired by the desert landscape. A soothing environment with a private canyon-like feel. The Chelsea Pool is the ultimate Las Vegas relaxation zone. A place where you can take a break from the excitement of the Strip. You can kick back, relax, listen to soothing ambient sounds, and enjoy a stylish oasis above it all. Now, as with most Las Vegas pools, you can rent a cabana for the day. It includes a high-definition television, a refrigerator stocked with complimentary soda and water, complimentary fresh fruit platter upon request. There's also a safe so you can lock up your valuables, and each cabana comes with a couch and 2 poolside lounge chairs. All this starts at about $800 a day and includes all that so-called complimentary stuff. You can also rent a day bed for the day. It's about the size of a queen-size bed, and that starts at about $200 a day. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout-out on an upcoming video.
Hey ladies, please, what did you say? I'm sorry, I forgot.
Thanks for watching the
Thanks
video,
for watching.
the New York channel.
Yeah.
Please subscribe.
Yes.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Just make it good. Whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3.
Hey ladies, thank you for watching the New York channel.
Subscribe to the New York channel, girls.
Ring the bell so you never miss any of the man's videos.
Did you know Chippendales USA cannot trademark the bow tie and shirt cuffs costume worn by its male dancers? The U.S. Patent and Trademark Office rejected Chippendale's trademark application in the year 2000, declaring that the cuffs and collar outfit was not inherently distinctive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.